I would like to quickly point out that John the Mouse Video has a large selection of videos from North and South America for your viewing pleasure. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the cheese of the matter.
This 1946 white WA-22 was originally used as a moving truck. It was bought new in Pennsylvania, and the same person used it until 1979, 31 years. It has a white 6-cylinder, 386 cubic inch gasoline engine, a 4-speed transmission with a 3-speed auxiliary. It was made in Cleveland, Ohio. The sleeper on this truck is only about 18 inches wide. The sleeper is wider than the narrow cab though. What they did to add the sleeper is to angle the doors out. If you stand in front of the truck and look at the side, you can see that when the windows were open, bugs would come through it, and if someone was in the sleeper, they'd get hit in the face by bugs as the driver traveled on down the road. The windshield wipers are air operated. Air from the brake system is used to power the wipers. That's how it was done until the 90s. It does have a heater. Many trucks didn't have a heater at this time. The cab is wood framed, including the doors. There's a metal over the wood frame. After the doors were worn on a truck like this, they wouldn't stay shut. They'd leak. You'd be stuffing rags in to keep the water and the air out. Truck driving was a hard job, and it still is, but running a truck like this made it harder. It has a crossover gas tank, holds about 100 gallons of highly flammable gas, and sits right behind the cab. Diesel fuel can catch fire, but not nearly as easily as gas. Drivers would get into a wreck and burn up instantly.
John the Mouse Travel Map is available for Google Maps. It will help plan your route to the locations of your favorite videos. It is free to use. I have the link below. Please visit the playlist tab for videos that I have sorted for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button